Alright guys, I got it. Yeah, so none of you guys really know what's going on right now because I just showed you that. And you're thinking, why are you showing us the pull start? Well, in my intro video I said I would do more than just electric stuff. So what I have for you today is a cold start for this Dynamite .21. My pull start broke on it. It didn't snap actually. It just the little spring inside of it wouldn't coil. It wouldn't coil back up anymore, and there was literally no way else I was gonna start it. So, so I got my mail key. I'm gonna go get it right now and see what happens next. Okay, guys. So I finally got my pull start here. You can't really see it's in this bag right now, but oh shit. Okay, so what I was gonna say right before I cut off there is there's actually like 2 cops at that house over there, and this is it's not the first time that they pulled up, so it's kind of weird. So let's actually get to the engine. Okay, so now we're sitting down and we've got our engine right here, our .21. Sorry, I can't really make the camera adjusted too much here, but as we can see, we got a nice .21 engine right here, and in the rear is where the one-way bearing is. That point that only goes one way, only spins this way, and as soon as it goes the other way, it pulls or it turns the flywheel. And yes, it is an aluminum flywheel on it. So, so what you're gonna need for this repair, let's actually get the pull start out of the bag first. Okay, so here it is. It's glary right here, the new pull start. It's not in any kind of official bag, but it is good enough for me. And I believe it does come, yep, it does come with screws. So my old one, it would go out, but it wouldn't go back in. It would just stay out like this. And usually what you do to fix that is you just spin the flywheel, but not this case. So now I'm gonna put it back on, and what you're gonna need for this is just a 2mm, or that's upside down. Okay, so you're gonna need a 2mm hex driver, of course. No, what is it? Phillips head, Phillips wire here. Okay, so I'm gonna place it on right over the hex, just like so. It almost looks like new again. And we're now going to screw it in. There we go, brand new pull start. So let's see if I can, okay. Yep, sounds pretty good to me. Shit, okay. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my camera into my garage and actually show you guys me installing it, and then I am gonna speed it up. Of course, I'm not gonna let you guys you know, at normal speed. I mean, I'm going to spin up the process of me reinstalling the engine. So basically just a quick process of how I'm going to do that. I'm going to take off the head and then I'm going to screw it back in onto the mounts because I didn't want to ruin the gear mesh because it's actually pretty good. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install the engine. So this is how it's usually mounted on there, and this is how you usually see it, like that. And I do have the pipe over here. Right here, I should still have the little springy thing that goes around the engine. I'm not really seeing that. Jesus. Okay, I don't know. But I will be speeding up this footage. And the first thing I'm actually going to do is not actually install it, but just to see if my receiver pack is working, because it really doesn't hold a lot of charge generally. So yeah, so just get ready for this time lapse. So guys, now I've got the engine in there. I've got my pull start in there. I did Loctite down all the screws that go into the engine, the head, the actual mounts, and it's ready to go. So I'll be back in a little bit because there's a situation going on across the street, but you won't be disappointed. Alright guys, so I got it to work, and okay, something happened out there. I'm just trying to see what I'm gonna get a look for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of do it around like that. So I'm actually gonna put it on the ground now, actually, and it's fully ready to go. It's had some nitro in there for a little bit. I'm gonna turn on my radio, and I'm gonna turn on the actual car. Kind of smells like nitro already. So now I'm gonna start it up, and you're not really gonna be able to hear me after, but let's see if it does start up actually. So my lighter. Here we go. First time it's been started in a while. Need some little priming. Just need a little bit of prime. 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. Oh shit. It seems like it's running pretty good so far. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tune it a little bit. I'm going to actually get my tuning driver, let it warm up a little bit, and I'm also going to get my tip gun. Idle speed's good enough for the street. I'm not running my off-road tires right now because I don't want them to go bald actually. So I got my tip gun. I just need to find my, here it is. That's gonna do it for today's video, guys. I really don't have much more planned for this right now. That was the cold start of the Losi 8. Been waiting quite a while for that pull start actually, and right now it is the end of the day. I just got done editing it. I'm now processing the video as we speak. You're already watching this video anyway, but if you guys like what you see and if you want to see some track running videos of this car, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will definitely be doing that very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.